If you're looking for the top AI courses from Google on Coursera, you're in the right place. Google offers some of the most trusted AI programs available today, making them a great choice for beginners and professionals who want practical, job-relevant AI skills. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's count down the top 3 Google AI courses on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and Google's industry credibility. At number 3 is AI for App Building. This beginner-friendly course teaches you how to use Google Gemini and Generative AI to build AI-powered applications. You'll also learn responsible AI practices and practical workflows, making it an excellent introduction for aspiring developers and non-technical learners alike. At number 2 is Google AI Essentials. This highly rated specialization has become one of Google's most popular AI learning programs on Coursera. You'll learn prompt engineering, Google Gemini, AI literacy, responsible AI, and practical ways to use AI to improve productivity at work. It's designed specifically for beginners and provides a strong foundation before moving on to more advanced topics. Taking the number 1 spot is the Google AI Professional Certificate. This comprehensive career-focused program teaches prompt engineering, generative AI, AI-powered productivity, workflow optimization, and real-world AI applications. You'll complete hands-on activities while earning a professional certificate from Google, making it one of the most valuable AI credentials available on Coursera today. If you're planning to complete more than one Google AI program, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about building AI skills in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to Google's best AI learning programs while saving you money. If you found this guide helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.